Let's go. Flood watch.
The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of east central, northeast, and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in east central Pennsylvania, Berks, Lehigh, and Northampton. In northeast Pennsylvania, Carbon and Monroe. In southeast Pennsylvania, Upper Bucks, western Chester, and western Montgomery. When? Until 10 p.m. this evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: thunderstorms moving across the area later today have the capability of producing rainfall at rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Woo!